What's up, Fitter Squad? This is Brad, aka2 Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today I'm going to be linking up with the homie Amir. It's been a while since I've seen him. He did come to Florida, hang out with me for a little bit. I don't think I recorded anything that time, but yeah, definitely going to be recording this time. But I'm going over there today because he's going to be giving the car a wash, and I'm going to be hanging out with him. He has his own business, so I'll put a link to his Instagram down below. Make sure you tap in if you are in the Atlanta area, in Georgia. Definitely go ahead and link with him. I'm sure he's gonna have a couple reels and stuff for Instagram, so definitely tap in below. But yeah, let me show you the car really quick. The car was already dirty before I started the trip, but of course I got the usual casualties, but I haven't seen anything major. And of course the windshield, I definitely need to get the fluid that I have, because it's still the stock fluid that they put in there, which is probably just water, so I definitely want to get that replaced, but hopefully it'll be out pretty soon. And look at this pollen. Yeah, that's fresh from Georgia, so. Alright, the wheels. But yeah, you'll see it's going to be a lot of work here, but I'm about to go ahead and head that way. Well, it won't be a cold start because I just got back, but we'll at least do a start here. Yeah, I ain't get all of that. But I'm sure just sitting here, there's gonna be a lot of pollen back on the car right away. So yeah. Alright, just pulling up. Definitely make sure you give them a follow. Got you covered. Go ahead and knock on the door. The infinity wheels. Alright. Looking a lot better already. I'm telling you, I'm gonna definitely get you right. Yes, sir. He's knocking it out, doing a great job. Yeah. All right. Looking great. Got the wheels looking like new. Like I said, make sure you hit them up. He will definitely get you taken care of. And I can't wait till he got that ready and out. But yeah, he's gonna wrap up a few more things, and I'll probably lower it, and hopefully we can get out and take some photos to later on today. We'll see time frame wise, but that'll be definitely dope. Definitely want to shout out a couple of homies too. Get some photography pages popping off and everything. Gotta get them shots. But yeah, gonna be linking up with him and the homies a little bit later tonight. So you see everybody out. Alright. So, pull up to the first spot. Actually, let me backtrack. We are doing a photo shoot, if you cannot tell. Pulling up to the first spot. Getting some photos here. Homie Tico getting the shots. He had an Altima, but this is his vehicle now. Bagged Ultimate, mint green wrap, I believe it was. We might get some rollers too, or might have some, I don't know. Definitely shining. Amir definitely killed it. Yeah, the lighting is perfect. Third location. We should be able to get something on yeah, we should be able to get something on the Vertini website. Yes, sir. Try to go for 2. All right, so yeah, definitely love this location, and I'm pretty sure we're gonna get some fire out of these videos. So, photos. Sorry. Definitely, link will be in the description below. You good? You good? It'll be in the description below for Tico for his photos. I'll definitely have the gas down below. I'm not sure how long the editing and everything is gonna take. In this video, it's probably gonna come out. Actually, should have been out today, but so I'll put a link to his Instagram, but it may not have these photos just yet, but they will be up shortly. I'll post a few as well, and make sure you guys follow on Instagram. But that's enough of the rambling. I'll put Amir's information down below as well, especially if you're in the Georgia area. Make sure you hit him up. And yeah, don't want to keep rambling too much. He definitely did an amazing job. Got me looking right, looking good. All right, but let's go ahead and do the comment of the day. The comment of the day goes out to, and if you'd like to be selected for comment of the day, make sure you leave a comment down below, and who knows, you could be next. But I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.